All right, you should be able to hear me a lot better right now, as opposed to earlier. Something was, I think, for some reason, it switched my microphones, but we should be good to go now. Um, all right, so we're gonna look at the story for today. We'll be looking at the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. That constitutes our 3D approach. That 3D approach basically outlines, what type of weather we may see today in the markets. Whether it's, the climate's going to be for an up or, for long or short opportunities, where the buy and sell UFOs will be, for the turning points, entries or exits. And then, of course, market volatility. What's the risk or reward ratio that we'll be looking at? The first market that we're going to look at right now is the S&P 500. It is currently in a down climate, in an extended move down since the open of last night. Um, we are looking at the seventh day out of typically three, so it is extended. However, it looks like it's quite bearish across the board. Sell UFO, brand new one right there, 44, 33.25 to 44.78.5. And then, of course, the buy UFO down below, 41.23 to 40.55.5. Based on the VIX, we're looking at 25%, which is elevated volatility. 69 points on the daily expected move, which there's a good chance that that's already been done. High of 44.18 and a low of 43.42. So yes, that has been achieved before the market even opens. All right, so we're about 78 points down, actually, right there from where we opened. So, um, if you're looking to educate yourself, if you're looking for coursework to kind of further your knowledge in trading, we offer future stocks, forex, backtesting, trading plans, and trading psychology courses. Make sure to follow this link right here to access them. Any one of the courses comes with a 3-month complimentary access to AutoUFOs and AutoClimate, which, that in itself I think is definitely worth the money. So be on the lookout for that if you're on the border to jump in. All right, looking at crude oil next. It is an up climate, but it is not confirmed. We have buy and sell UFOs above current price 72.93 to 74.23, and then down below 60.77 to 58.73. Based on the market volatility, based on the OVX, we're looking at 32% with $1.43 for the daily expected move for crude oil, which has already been achieved as well. Crude oil is down about 2.5%, and it still has not opened yet. Um, Looking at the next topic here. So, if you're looking for the auto UFOs, the registered and patented technology that we have in our arsenal that is available for TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader, and our brand new platform that's coming up soon that will be presented top can be accessed through this link here. And then we offer monthly or yearly memberships for that. So obviously the yearly kind of giving you a little bit of a discount given that you're subscribing for a longer term. All right, let's look at gold a little. So gold is in a down climate. It is confirmed that it's the third day out of typically seven. The sell UFO up above the one that we've kind of been, looking at for the longest now, 1804.4 to 1866, and a buy UFO down below 1739.4 to 1718.5, 15.92% on the volatility. Okay, let's see here. What's the sorry about that. So, and then daily expected move of 17 points has not been done yet, but we're going to see where we land. Gold is open technically at 8:30 Eastern, 5:30 my time. All right. So if you do need coaching or support, we offer, we have live trading sessions that are compatible with all time zones, but we also offer what's known as all asset advanced coaching that can be accessed with this link here. We have monthly, yearly, or all inclusive memberships where you can sign up and schedule appointments one on one with any one of the instructors on our channel that you might want to review anything with. All right, based on the dollar, next one is the dollar index. So the dollar index has popped up quite a bit since last week. We're looking at 92.88 to 92.310, and then a sell UFO up above at 93.455 to 93.750. Um, it is in a confirmed upclimb. It is the second day out of typically five. And 30 cents, I believe, has already been done, or not quite. 93.180. Not quite there yet. All right, now if you don't want to read this overview in your inbox, you want to join us in our channel here, you can certainly do that, and it's probably recommended to do that as well. Um, you can click this link right here to access the YouTube channel, and you can catch up with any missed commentaries using the playlist option. Um, and now, last but definitely not least, is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is currently in a down climate. It is confirmed. It's the second candle out of a to be determined amount, mainly because we just don't have enough data on Bitcoin trading to establish a daily auto climate stat for. But as you see, it is approaching this area right here where the UFO is 41,460 to 37,437. Right now, it's on a very, very steep decline, eliminating all these lows down here. If it does close below them, so that's a very, very bearish sign. Um, Currently down 9.25% current value of volatility. 87, actually 88%, which is extremely elevated. The daily expected move is $2,400, but it has already gone down for $4,450. That's not to say that some of these people that are short are going to start taking profits, or some of the people that were long are going to get liquidated, and so on. So it's just a matter of time before we see a little bit of a pullback, but we're going to see how it's going to end up as the day goes by. Okay, and that's that for Bitcoin. Now, if you're interested in any of any of the topics we covered here, you can certainly schedule a clarification call using this link right here. You can go over with a real life person. We can go over courses, apps, coaching, memberships, etc. So definitely you take that to your advantage. Um, Today and tomorrow are actually holidays in Japan and China. Uh, I'm sorry, in Hong Kong and Japan. However, China on Tuesday is having their interest rate decision. FOMC economic projections, and then our interest rate decision here. Monetary policy statement, press conference again. Market PMI for Germany, which would affect the euro. Interest rate decision on the Swiss franc. PMI in Europe. A whole bunch of fun stuff for the GBP. Retail sales in Canada. And then daylight savings time for New Zealand. All right, folks, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this session helpful, and stay tuned for the upcoming session that's, I believe, Pedro coming up next.